One data engine is about to get faster without changing your code. Then a broker disappears with zero downtime, and messy JSON gets a native shape. Polar's 2.0 release candidate lands next week with streaming on by default. Existing code can handle larger-than-memory data without extra configuration. Incident.io added NATs beside Google PubSub and routed traffic across both. Then it shut PubSub off in production with zero customer impact. Invisible migrations are the real test. Iceberg v3 adds variant, a compact binary type that preserves timestamps, decimals, and binary values as fields evolve. Hot fields can still become typed parquet columns without flattening every new key. Watch which infrastructure defaults change next.